Birdman gunned down in Claremont, St. Anne. Search launched for missing 17-year-old from St. Elizabeth. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 46-year-old laborer was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Claremont, St. Anne on Saturday night. The deceased is Damian Johnson, otherwise called Birdman, of Lloyd Ford District in Claremont. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., residents heard explosions in the area and alerted the police. On their arrival, Johnson was seen with gunshot wounds. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. An Anand alert has been activated for 17-year-old Karima Graham of Faithfield District, St. Elizabeth, who has been missing since Tuesday, November 14. She is of dark complexion, stout build, and is about 173 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports are that at about 8 p.m., Karima was last seen at home wearing a red t-shirt and a pair of black pants. All efforts to locate her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Karima Graham is asked to contact the Junction Police Station at 876-475-0676, the Police 119 emergency numbers, or the nearest police station.